Hi, this is Brian Oliva at Getsemani Music. Today we're going to take 1 minute to show you how to calibrate the oscillators on your Moog Matriarch and Moog Grandmother. The process is identical. You start by holding down the Shift key, which is also the Hold key, and while you're holding that, press the Sync key on the Grandmother. Next, hold down all three of the buttons there, play, hold, and tap, and then while you're holding all three down, press the lowest note on the keyboard. That starts the process. Likewise on the Matriarch, start by holding the Shift key and Sync Enable until it flashes, and then hold down the play, hold, and tap buttons, and press the lowest note on the keyboard. All in all, the process on the Grandmother takes usually under 5 minutes. For the Matriarch, it's a little longer, possibly up to 20 minutes. But when the lights stop flashing, your oscillator should be fully calibrated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you later.